Have you seen how he looked at me? Maybe he seen some hosts. Bimo. Birds. Bimo. Why you look so scared? Bimo. Bimo. Are you okay? Okay, I feel very uncomfortable now. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Baby. Yes, of course he will run. Because he can. If I will run, I will fall down. Oh, mushroom. And berry. So at this moment we've seen many different berries, few mushrooms, and a lot of different plants. And one cat. Bima, you want to go there? Okay. You're the guide. I follow you, Bima. There is such trashy place. I'm shocked. I don't want to go there. But I should. He's my baby. Bima. No, I can't go there because there are very low located trees and I need to go very down. I see the cat. He's following us. Bima, you got a friend? Okay, let's go to the most comfortable place. So many such berries, but I'm a bit scared to eat them, to be honest. Mima, so cool that you're so small and you can go everywhere. Oh. By the way, he's very kind to me when we walking without a leash. Because I can't control them. Because I can not control him and he running everywhere where he wants. I don't know if you hear it, but it's very calming sound of the water. There is some kind of waterfall, like very small. I guess it's like mountain river, something. Most time of the year, when it's very hot, it's getting dry. But now there is very watery. Okay, Bim, maybe we can go. Why are you stuck here? Good boy. I'm looking for mushrooms and for tortoises. What? Sometimes Bima stuck on the place and look at some spots like he's seen something supernatural, and that scares me a lot. Peace in time. Okay, Bima, I wish I was that fast. Bima. Looks so cute. Leaf hanging on the spider. What? Can you predict? Will I fallen down today in the mud or not? I think I may. I think it's about 70% possible. Oh, I see dogs barking. I hope they are not going there because they are barking kind of aggressive. Bima, we're not going to the dogs. What? No, Bima. Bima, we are going to another place. Come on. Bima. What's there? Come on. Beautiful place. Here also very fresh in the hot summer days. That smells like a lot of mushrooms should be here. I don't see anything at this moment, but oh, bird was there. By the way, Bima knows some tricks, some comments in English as well. He's non-English speaking dog actually. Oh, there is another dog. Okay, Bima, we should go faster. So I'll show these comments later. Come on, Bima. Oh, another one grave. That's it. And this reminds me of little elephants. Natural statue. Bima, is that your friend? Bima. It's also like, hi. Okay, we met other animal aside planet. Bima wants to play. Здраво! Бима, Бима, no, not swear. Нет. Бима. Все, пойдем. Пойдем. Здраво! Бима. Бима, Бима. Бай-бай. Бима, Бима, я пошла, пока. Окей, чао.
Вы идете горе тоже?
Yeah, walking, hiking. Let's go. Бима, Бима. So Бима. He's just protecting me. He playing with your dog. Бима. Biма, look at this river. I didn't expect that we met someone because it happens maybe 2 or 3 times full time when I live there and I know this place. But okay, someone decided to walk with their doggy too. But Bima was playful and very loud. I'm a bit ashamed when he behaved like that because some people can think that he is aggressive and that he can bite and attack other dog. But in general, he usually only barking very loud. Like, he's really kind guy. I think we will change our destination for a bit. Because as I got, they also planning to go there. It's okay. Look, it's so beautiful. I'm just looking where they are going. Yeah, they are going in the place where we planned to go in the very end. But it's okay, we can go in other places because I knew few roads here. Bima, so beautiful. I mean you, Bima. You're the most beautiful dog in the world. Bima. Bima. No, he's another dog. He wants to play. He wants to make a friendship with it. By the way, I noticed that he mostly attractive to dogs, whilst without leash. I mean, in this moment they both were without leash, but usually Bima barks on small dogs on leashes. Not sure that I spell it right. By the way, you might wondering why I look so bad, tired and sleepy. It's not only because I'm working a lot, but also because I have newborn baby, not my own, but I'm discovering parentship because he's crying a lot and walls are very thin, and when he crying I hear it like he's in the same room with me. It's very annoying because it's happen all the time and during the day and during the night. And sometimes I just can't do anything because I feel like my nerves are out and I'm about to have mental breakdown or something because it's really very annoying and bad for nervous system. I can't wait when I move now, mostly because of this kid. Bima also getting mad with that, by the way. Bima, why you lay down? You look good. Maybe I will add something. No, sit down, don't be scared.